Ito na ang debut game ni Kian Baclaan sa preseason invitational ng MPBL. Matapos mabalitang pumirma na to para maglaro sa team ng Caloocan Batang Kangkalu at kapansin-pansin ding puno agad ang crowd ng arena. Well, coming off the bench tong si Kian, medyo malamig pa sa unang attempt at nagtala muna ng kanyang first assist. Naputol na ang live stream pagtapos nun kaya second half na ang ating highlights. Third quarter na nagtala ng first point si Kian mula sa free throw. Di nagtagal, apat agad na defender ang binalagbag, nag-showtime na sa second half. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban. I-like and share mo lang ang ating video at i-follow ang ating Facebook.
What a pass. Razon is free for a free.
What a shot. If there is one guard, in my opinion, as you see that move right there, game progresses.
Corteza,
Nice fake.
shot fake. Floater is up. Celis onto the front court. Kick out pass, Jerome Cabana.
Nice
Ang ganda
pass.
ng pasahan. Dali. Ian, side step. No good. Kamson inside. Gobbling
Oh.
up the offensive board.
In the triangle offense, but they also needed a shot, and that happens to be Eric Kamson.
Baklaan. Pasok sa loob. Pasa. Pamuntay Kalat. Gets the friendly bounce on the reverse. I think one of our courtside reporters reported that one. Has been in
Manood sa 1x Sports ng kahit anong basketball live broadcast gamit ang ating promo code na Notch. I-scan mo lamang ang ating QR code.
showing ng Caloocan. In your opinion, Coach Mike? Ito siguro. Ay, Baklaan. LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL. Finally, Matias underneath. Doesn't get the friendly roll. He grabs his own miss. What a pass!
Wow.
Comes on the cut and the finish.
Puma, Bitoon, Razon, and Baclaan. Sabi nga niya sa akin in that point position, sabi niya in his words, hihiram na lang ako ng bola sa kalaban. Mukhang
Just 103 at the line, however. But this is now the biggest lead. Punta pala ako dun eh.
Punta ka
Dapat
pala.
sasagot dun eh. Ito, maganda yung sagot. Para sa Caloocan. Ian.
Nice pass.
Fake. The back. Quickly on the other side. Caloocan with Kian Baclaan gliding through the lane. And
He challenged it. Nice
Rob
pass.
Celis getting himself free. Pass from Argente. Sumugod. Dire-derecho for that layup.
The guy is definitely gonna work on his game, and pretty soon we'll see the real Kian Baclaan.
Libre si Chris. Corner pocket free.
There you go.
Book it.
Right.
Baclaan splitting two
There you
defenders. Almost got the basket. Ang subong at kompletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas.
Tsaka kailangan.
Celis. Umikot.
Oh
Layup
my!
is good.
3 blocks per game.
Baclaan. Finding themselves in a funk right now. Baclaan separating himself.
Oh
What a
my
pass to Jammer Amito, who floats.
If he's not scoring, he's creating, he's dishing.
Line pick.
Galing.
Kalahat sa tres. Wala. Amito sa loob. Ito, comes away with a steal. Pasa kay Jello Razon. Winasiwas pa. Scores 2 more. The roof down here at the Caloocan Sports Complex. At that gone in for Kian Baclaan. Instead, it gives an opportunity for MJ Deliverin. Nice pass. Argente filling the lane. Galawan sa MPBL. Ang hirap ng mag-keep track.
Oo, totoo.
Apreko sa loob. 6 points. PBL. Piton. Step back jumper over MJ Deliverin from Sean Argente. Piton. What a move. Putting in perhaps the finishing touches to the Strongs. They secure this win.
Yeah.
They had to earn it against a
Alright.
pretty Muntinlupa squad.
Oh, tsaka, well, hats off to Muntinlupa Cagers for giving